Welcome to April, the month of rebirth and reconnecting with nature. This month, we invite you to join us in living in grace, connecting with the beauty around you. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to overlook the beauty that surrounds us every day. From the intricate patterns of a flower's petals to the vastness of the night sky, there is beauty to be found in every corner of our world. Taking the time to appreciate this beauty not only enriches our lives, but also reminds us of the importance of caring for the planet we call home. Appreciating beauty everywhere can have a profound impact on our well-being. It can lift our spirits, reduce stress, and increase feelings of gratitude and contentment. When we take the time to notice and appreciate the beauty around us, we become more mindful and present in our lives, leading to greater happiness and fulfillment. Moreover, appreciating the beauty of our planet Earth is a powerful motivator for the environmental conservation. When we see the wonders of nature up close, we develop a deep respect and love for the earth. This, in turn, inspires us to take action to protect and preserve our environment for future generations. By appreciating the beauty everywhere in our planet Earth, we not only enhance our own lives, but also contribute to a more sustainable and harmonious world. So, let's take a moment each day to pause, to look around, and to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. It is a simple and yet profound way to connect with our world and nurture a sense of gratitude and stewardship for our planet. Join us in Living in Grace, connecting with the beauty around you. Visit our website to learn more and register for our upcoming event. Thank you for being a part of Lyceum Global.